Want to build an email list but don't have a website? Good news, it's absolutely possible and easier than you think. First, leverage your social media profiles. Ever thought about adding a sign-up link to your Instagram bio? Or how about posting it in your Facebook updates and tweets? Imagine hosting a live session and asking viewers to join your list on the spot. Next, consider virtual events. Webinars and workshops are gold mines for email registrations. Just require attendees to sign up with their email. Simple, right? Don't forget about content platforms. Publishing on Medium or YouTube. Add a clear call to action asking readers or viewers to join your email list. Even offline methods work. Collect emails at events with sign-up sheets or QR codes. Tap into your personal network. Ask friends, family, and happy customers to subscribe. Want to spice things up? Host a contest or giveaway. Make emails sign up the entry ticket. Exciting and effective. Collaborations can boost your efforts too. Partner with businesses or influencers. Cross-promote each other's lists for mutual growth. And don't overlook email marketing tools like MailChimp or Google Forms. They offer hosted sign-up forms you can share anywhere. Imagine growing your email list without the hassle of setting up a website. It's possible with these straightforward strategies. Ready to take your email list to the next level? Start using these tips now and watch your list grow. Don't wait. Get started today. Sign up now and discover a unique way to build your list without website, funnel, or even traffic. Build your email list effortlessly. Let's make it happen. Click the link to begin your journey to email marketing success. Act now and see the results yourself. Your thriving email list awaits. Grow your audience without a website starting today.